Hi, everybody. It's Heather from UMPI Center for Teaching and Learning, and I want to take a couple of minutes to walk you through the process of placing learning outcomes for assessment within your course. So there's going to be a couple of different steps that we're going to look at in a couple of different videos because we're going to add learning outcomes to our course. We're going to look at in future videos how to tag those learning outcomes to specific assessments like assignments and quizzes and discussions. And then we'll also have some guidance on how to grade and assess those learning outcomes. But the first thing we got to do is get the learning outcomes in the course. So let's just take a look at that process with this video. So you can see I'm in my course right now, and I'm going to go to the nav bar and I'm going to go to the course admin button. And we have a learning outcomes tool here. If you have the categories up, it's right underneath assessment. It has a little target icon. We're going to click right into the learning outcomes. And here you can see that I've played around with adding some learning outcomes to this course. And there are a couple things that you can see and probably take note of. So I have a CLO 1 here, and then also I have a CLO 4. And I also have a PLO 3. So adding an outcome is really, really easy. I find it's easiest to have my syllabus or another document with my outcomes already open on another screen. And then what I'll do is I'll just copy from there and I'll click the gray button that says Add Outcome, and I'll just simply paste. So you probably see that I have this PLO here, and it has what I call a child outcome. So basically I have this program learning outcome that's learning environments, and I have a learning outcome that directly informs that PLO progress, that program progress. And so how you can do that is on any of the outcomes here, we have this little caret menu. Contextual menu. When you click on that, it allows you to do a couple of things. You can edit your outcome if you need to add something or if there's a misprint or a typo. You can delete the outcome as long as you haven't already deployed it and assessed on it in the course. And you can add a lower level outcome. And that's exactly what we see right here with that program learning outcome that has the lower level outcome, which is, in this case, a CLO. It might just be another objective that ties into your program learning outcome. Now, I will say that when you create these these levels, these lower level learning outcomes, when you go to assess those, you'll just be assessing those lower levels. You won't be tagging the higher level. So you'll have to look at the lower levels to inform your higher level. In the next set of videos, we're going to be looking at some tasks like tagging your outcomes in assessments like assignments and discussions and quizzes. If you have any questions, give Cecil a call. Otherwise, happy building.